In this video, we will be discussing the comparison between all the three modulation schemes, and finally we will fix it which modulation scheme will be the best suitable for digital communication. See the next problem. The bit stream 101001 is differentially encoded using delay and XR. Scheme used for DPSK transmission. Assuming the reference bit as 0 and assigning phases of 0 as 180 degree, 1 as 0 degree respectively in the encoded sequence. The transmitted phase sequence becomes what is the message given M of t? 101001. What is the reference bit, sir? Reference bit is 0 and the scheme is using XR. He specifically mentioned. If he given, take that. What is the XR get to truth table? Both are different. Output is 1. Same 0. These two are available starting different 1. These two different 1. Same 0. Same 0. Same 0. Different 1. Follow. Different 1. Different 1. Same 0. Same 0. Same 0. Different 1. What about the phase sequences, sir? The phase sequence equal to 1 means 0 degree, 1 means 0 degree, 0 means pi degree, pi degree, pi degree, 0 degree. This is the phase sequence of generator. Clear? These type of problems regularly asking in the GATE and ES examinations from the DPSK. Mostly in GATE they are asking.